Now we are into the second segment. We are learning how to get started with the integration, how to learn uh, the very basic principle of this integration. Okay, so we are into the same exercise, and I'll be doing half, like one third of this, all these questions here, and then you can try the rest yourself. Okay, this was exercise. What was the exercise? Exercise 9A. Okay, so 9A, question number 3. So, Bacho, the rule is same. The rule is same that if you have to integrate x raised to power n dx, so that would be x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. But we have some more complicated kind of expressions here. The thing is that if you want to integrate, you want to apply this first technique, then you must have all your expressions in this form. Like if you look at this A part, something in terms of x plus minus something in terms of x plus minus something else, okay? So whatever you have, like even you look at 2C, so that will be written in this 2 part A form, okay? So if you look at this question number 3A, so we have a product going on over here. So I will be starting it like this, 3A. Okay, so I will keep this dy on this side. I will expand this. This is x squared plus 5x. And I'll keep this dx. I have moved the dx to the other side as well. Okay, so now we integrate both the sides. So this will be integrated with respect to y. So this is y. And this is going to be x cubed over 3. This is 5x squared over 2 and plus. That's it. This is done. Okay. If you look at the d part, 3d. So you have dy on one side, okay? And I'll split this up. I'll be writing it as x is for 4 over 2x cubed minus 2x over 2x cubed plus 5 over 2x cubed. Okay? So now I have to use this integration mark here, and this is your dx. Okay? So this is also going to be integrated. So by the way, this is my integration sign. Please don't mind it. So this becomes y, and I will not be integrating this right now because I need to simplify this. So this would become x over 2. Okay, this is x over 2. This would be minus 1 over x squared, and I would write it as minus x raised to power minus 2. And then I have 5 over 2 x raised to power minus 3, and there is the dx. This is your algebraic simplification where you have moved all your x's onto the numerator. Okay, and now we can differentiate it. Now we can really, sorry, I'm saying differentiate. Now we can integrate it. Okay, so here we are. How would this color look like here? Okay, so this y is, no, this is not very clear. Let me keep with the red then. Okay, so this is y equal to x. Now, what is the integral of x? That is x squared over 2. So this is x squared, and there is already a 2 here. So this is 2 into 2 minus x raised to power minus 1 over minus 1. And then you have plus 5 x is per minus 2. There is already a 2 here. This is 2 into minus 2. And then you write at the end plus c. Don't forget this plus c. ठीक है बच्चों? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
So this is x squared over 4. And I can write it as plus 1 over x. And this one is minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So that is 5 over 4 x squared plus c. So this is the result of the integration of this 3-part d. Okay? Let me take you to question number 4. There's quite simple. Okay, there's already an integration mark here. So I'll be moving on to the question number 5 now. Okay, question number 5. Okay, so question number 5 we are on to. Um, so let's try 5 part A. 5A. Okay, so there is already, thankfully, there is already that integration sign here. But we need to expand all of this. So when you expand this, this would become x squared plus 4x plus x plus 4. I'm just expanding this on the side so that I don't have to write all this integration mark again and again. So then when you expand this, you get x squared plus 5x plus 4. And now we are ready to integrate this. So this would be x cubed over 3. This is 5x squared over 2 plus 4x plus c. And there is no more simplification. And by the way, we are applying this rule that x raised to power n's integral is x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So just to remind you people, this is power 2 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and divided by 2 plus 1. 5 into x power is 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 1. And there is just 4, and 4 would be upgraded into 4x. And never forget to write this.
I have a question.
Yes, beta.
जैसे dy लिखा हुआ था तो we used to integrate it from y लिखते थे.
Yeah.
Should we write is equal to 0 in this equation or should we just leave it as it is?
Please never put equal to 0 by yourself. You can just put equal to this. That's it, because you're just integrating an expression. These are equations, mera beta. And just to tell you, I didn't want to use this word here. This is called a differential equation. Any equation which has a differential in it, that is called a differential equation. So in a way, you people are onto the differential equations, but I didn't want to use these words here. So when you have equation, like for example, you have this f dash of x. So you keep on writing f of x equal to this. This would be in question number 3. This would be y equal to something. And in these very good questions, better. And in these 4th and 5th questions, you will just keep on putting the equal marks because you're dealing with the expressions. Okay. Now okay. Good question, beta. Okay. Look at this 5D. Now in this 5D. I can write it as I'll multiply this with this. So x to the power 1 over 3 into x squared when you multiply. Remember, the powers are added. So 2 plus 1 over 3 is going to be x raised to power 7 over 3. And then this into this, you can write it as x raised to power 1 over 3. So you have to have your expressions in the simplest form, okay? Now, once it's done, I'll put the equal mark here, okay? This is equal to x raised to, now, you must know what is 7 over 3 plus 1. So that is going to be 10 over 3. And please let me write here 3 over 10. I hope you understand why I'm writing 3 over 10. And this is 1 over 3 plus 1, bacho, that is 4 over 3. X raised to power 4 over 3. And please let me write here 3 by 4. Are you clear why I'm writing 3 by 4 and then 3 by 10 here?
Yes.
Yeah, because the reciprocal of that 4 over 3 is 3 over 4. And the reciprocal of 10 over 3 is going to be 10 over 3. Just one more part and then it would be your turn to practice these questions. I'm on to 5G, bacho. 5G here. So again, I will not waste my time here. So I know that this will be x squared over 3x plus 2 under root x over 3x and then dx. Okay, so this becomes x over 3 or 1 over 3x, whatever the way you want to write it, okay? And then here the power is half and here the power is 1. So what is half minus 1? That is minus half. Okay, good, beta. So this is 2 over 3 x raised to power minus half. Okay, and here you have dx. Now we are ready with that form here. We can integrate it. So this is 1 over 3 into x square over 2 plus 2 over 3 into x raised to power. Now minus half plus 1 will give me half. Okay, so this is half, and I would be writing that it as into 2 because the reciprocal of half is going to be 2. Okay, so this is finally x square over 6 plus 4 over 3 under root x. Once you are done with all that integration, and at the very last step, you should not forget to write plus c. Okay, bacho? So this was the second part of the segment where I was telling you how to start with the integration. Okay, so now this is your turn to practice all these parts till we go into the second technique of